Another dua, this is a very interesting dua. We learned that one of the companions, he was asked that make dua. Yani, you know how when people gather together, they ask someone, make dua. So he made a dua and they said, make more dua. And so he made more dua and he said, allahummaj'alni min al-muqarrabin waj'al ummi min al-hur al-'ain. That, oh Allah, let me be among those who are brought near you and make my mother among the beautiful women of paradise. And he asked that, Ya Allah, make me close to you, bring me close to you, and make my mother uh, a beautiful woman of paradise. We think that hurul ain are, some different creatures that will be in paradise. Hurul ain, first and foremost, are who? The believing women. And for many children, they see the beauty of their mother's decline, right? You see how the hair is falling, the hair is turning gray and white. You see how there are wrinkles on the face. You see how the body is becoming weak. Those hands that were so soft, are now maybe experiencing some skin condition. You witness your mother, your parents as they age. Their body begins to age, and you see their physical beauty decline. So especially he prayed for his mother's beauty, that وَجَعَلْ أُمِّي مِنَ الْحُورِ الْعِينِ, and he make her of the beautiful women of paradise. Ameen. Inshallah, we will conclude over here. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.